Hi and welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a multiplication table. It will incorporate just one formula, one formula that you have to make, and we'll get Excel to do most of the work for us. Okay, hope you'll enjoy this one, find it very useful. Now, first thing I'm going to do here is click into cell B1. And then I'm going to type in the number 1, and what I want to do is create a 10 times multiplication table, so on numbers 1 to 10 on row 1 and numbers 1 to 10 in column A. So what I need to do here, now I've typed that number 1, I haven't pressed enter by the way, I've just typed the number 1, and I put my mouse pointer over the bottom right of the cell so I get the black cross. And now if I just hold down the control key, keep that control key held down and drag across, and as you do that you'll see that Excel will pop in the numbers for us up to number 10. Once you reach number 10, release the mouse button, release the control key, and there we have our block of numbers. Now don't deselect just yet, because we still need this block of numbers, or this row of numbers, and what I'm going to do now is simply copy that row, because it's already highlighted for me. So click the copy button. That puts the marquee box around that selection, and then I move to cell A2, right click on cell A2, and that brings up the right click shortcut menu, and then choose paste special. Okay, the paste special dialog box appears, and down at the bottom right you have an option that says transpose, and you tick the transpose box, click OK, and there we are. It puts that same set of numbers 1 to 10 down in column A from A2 down to A11 in this case. I can now deselect my row 1 selection by simply pressing the escape key, and there we have the numbers for the multiplication table. Okay, that's step 1. The next stage is to create the calculation that I need. And so to do that I'm going to click into B2, press equals on the keyboard. Remember, pressing equals tells Excel that whatever follows will be part of a calculation, and then click on to the first cell reference that I need, which is cell B1. Okay, and I'm going to make a modification to this cell reference, and I'm going to use an absolute reference, but I only want the formula to lock onto row 1 in this case, and what I do here is press the F4